Oh, the snow clouds have cleared out, but colder air is settling in, and gusty winds will make it feel even colder. Temperatures will continue to plunge through tomorrow morning, reaching minus 10 degrees Celsius, and cold wave advisories are in place nationwide. Even though skies stay mostly clear, dry weather advisories remain along the East Coast. With strong winds added to the mix, there is a higher risk of wildfires, so please be extra precautions. Many areas will have a freezing morning tomorrow, with Seoul and Daejeon at minus 9 degrees, Gwangju at minus 4 degrees. Seoul will rise up to just 1 degree even during the day, while Daegu will reach 7 degrees. Looking ahead, the cold snap will slowly ease off starting from tomorrow afternoon. That's all for Korea. Here are the weather conditions around the world.